ZANU-PF factional wars are now evident in every decision that President Emerson Mnangagwa makes. Zalapena mashoko kuda panguwa ino achizi mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe panguwa ino top leadership yavo decisions they are making, they're exposing the rift or tension between them. Just kuda pachena, especially pa the press yakareleasiwa ye holiday yemutungamiri wenyika zvayanzo kuda pachena kuti the president anosupporta which deputy and anosalend now which one. Not was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita pahinde hupo chungono anobuda nyora chitini. This press statement quietly reviews a striking imbalance in power sharing, because while Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga is assigned a clear defined acting role of just 13 days from 1 to 13 January 2026, Vice President Kemp Mohadi acts for far longer, 9 days from 23 to 31 December 2025, and then again from 14 January until the president's return in early February. Even on the most conservative reading of this press statement, that places Mohadi in the acting role of at least 27 days and likely well over a month, more than double Chiwenga's time. And for a reason, Mnangagwa trusts Mohadi over Chiwenga. This is not a minor administrative detail, it is a deliberate allocation of authority that favors one vice president decisively, buried in dates and phrasing, but clear to anyone who reads the document carefully. Mnangagwa remains firmly in control unless and until there is an unexpected and decisive rupture from Chiwenga and his inner circle. For now, the balance of power is settled, the structures are intact, and any talk of imminent charge remains speculative rather than real. Domashwa mleto na hupo chuono achiti decisions esa kutokana mtukamiri wenyika panguwa ino akutongo reveala nekuexposa the tension between them, and panguwa ino achifavor most the deputy, the second deputy Mohadi zviyanzo kuonekwa kunzi vipi kotsando Chiwenga varongosalainiwa zvavo. Bina comment section yedu dzafuro imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.